The best way to get the fitness results you want is to get a personal trainer, which is why NordicTrack includes one with your purchase. The best place in the world to work out is in your own home, because it is consistent, convenient, and leaves the excuses for someone else to make. Let me show you what a personal trainer in your home looks like with your NordicTrack. First, get on your machine and let's go somewhere exotic, like Paris, or how about Santorini, Greece? Actually, how about running on the beach in Bora Bora? Your trainer live controls your machine to match the speed, incline, decline, and the duration of the trainer's prescribed workout. Stick with your trainer to build glutes, abs, arms, legs, stamina, and endurance. While you're exploring the world, you get expertly crafted workouts designed to transform you into a new improved version of yourself. The Smart Response motor will run as long as you do, a guarantee we back up with a lifetime warranty. To get the results you want, you need to stick with your workout routine. Running outside can be painful, which is why we built the Flex Select cushioned deck. It's a feature you're going to love from day one. The size of the tread belt is optimized to give you a long, powerful stride. When your workout is done for the day, simply fold up the deck to save space in your home. At NordicTrack, we are dedicated to empowering you to achieve your fitness goals. Interactive personal training in your home on your time. Welcome to the family.